we have Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. And I think this is one of the best little calendars out there. So if you're in a state that has Trader Joe's, go and see if this is still available. They go quickly, but for 20 bucks, this is a good little calendar. Let's see why. Okay. First up is something that I cannot use, but it is still a good functional product for this time of year. It is a hair mask. This is the Brazil Nut Hair Mask made with shea butter. And this package sizing is 0.5 ounces. I've used packages of this size before from Trader Joe's, and this has definitely more than one use to it. There's probably 2 or 3, maybe 4, depending upon the length of your hair. That is one of the reasons I like this calendar. And let's see another. This is the Sweet Nectarine Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. And I've taken a sniff. And it smells just like a nectarine. Absolutely heavenly. We have a Yuzu Bath Fizzer. And from what I understand, this has the scent of grapefruit and lime. So that makes a nice, refreshing bath fizzer or shower steamer, however you want to use it. This is Cake Batter Body Butter. Oh, I want some. I'm hungry. No, Fatima, this is not to eat. Oh, okay, I won't eat it. Yes, don't eat the products. The Cake Batter Scented Body Butter, I've taken a sniff. It smells good. It really does. And this is a 1 ounce size. This is 0.13 ounces. And it is a lip balm. And it smells lovely. It is gingerbread cookie moisturizing lip balm. I've heard other people say that they did not think it smelled good. To me, it smells wonderful. And I'm always happy to get an extra lip balm because I go through them quickly in cooler weather. Actually, I go through them in all types of weather. This is the Brown Sugar Carob Lip Scrub. Last year was just brown sugar. This year, they've added carob to it. It's a small container, but you can get several uses out of this. So I'm excited that they included a lip scrub with brown sugar again this year. So we are halfway through this box. What do you see that you like? Let me know. I want the details. I'm a nosy camel. Honestly, with the exception of the hair mask, I'm excited for all of the items so far. And now, moving right along with this video, we have a daily facial sunscreen with an SPF of 40. Yes, and the scent, although maybe not my favorite, that's okay. I'm glad to see they put another sunscreen in because we really should be using sunscreen all year round. Can't say that I always do that, but this next one is a tiny one. Yes, this is an exfoliating sugar scrub cube. It's got some firmness to it, so my guess is it's probably just one use, but maybe you could weasel 2 uses out of it. Here we have a Neroli shaving cream. Yes, this is something different this year. I don't recall this one being in last year's calendar. This is something different. So this is Neroli Bamboo Shave Cream. So I'm guessing it has probably some moisturizing properties to it. Ought to be interesting to give it a try. I'm not shaving my legs. Okay, I'll shave my legs. Good. This is lavender bath salts. I'm not big on the scent of lavender. I can even smell it through their packaging, and it's not quite my scent. Yet this package size, depending upon how much you want to put in your bath, I'm thinking you could probably get 2 uses out of this package, perhaps. This I will be passing along in a gift to someone else. This smells like clementine. I can even get a sniff through the packaging. Yes, it does. And it smells very nice. I'm excited to see this item. I don't recall this from last year, although I think there was some type of hand cream in addition to the one that was previously in the first half of the box. I do believe last year they had 2 hand creams. This time they've swapped one out for a body butter. This is vitamin C firming body butter made with glycolic acid and a bright clementine scent. So I am excited for this one, and I'm trying to look at it through the ring light. It looks like it's full up to at least there. So that's a good amount. It says it's an ounce. Excited for this one. Yes, me too. It will be comfortable on a hoof. Okay, we'll put it on your hoof. Now, so far with this video, I've not been going in numerical order. I was just picking them out of the tray as I found them. I did save number 12 for last because I wanted to see if they built up to a big finale. And what we have for the finale is rice polish cleansing powder. So this is something you would put a little bit in your hand, make yourself a paste, and wash your face. So although I'm glad to get to try this product, it does look interesting. I might even wash my face. I wish they'd put something else as the big finale, like maybe that clementine scented body butter we just saw. That's just my opinion. What do you think? Let us know in the comments down below. So taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, this I really do think is a very good value for the price. For $20, you get 12 items. That is $1.67 per day. Yes, that does sound good. And if you came up to me with most of those items and said, would you pay $1.67 for this? I think I would say yes. My ones that I probably would say no would be that tiny sugar body scrub cube. But everything else, I think, is worth $1.67. Again, excepting the items that I can't use because of my nut allergy. But still, I think that this is a good to great to excellent value for the money. Apparently 47 states have Trader Joe's. So go and check and see if your Trader Joe's still has any left. They do go quickly. What else can I tell you here? They also have chocolate calendars for those of you that want to satisfy your sweet tooth. And I did not pick one up because I'm not a big candle person, but they had a 12-day candle calendar. So that's something else to consider. I did not look into the pricing on that one though. But again, thank you for taking the time out to watch our video. Consider subscribing if you're enjoying what you're seeing. We've got lots of fun stuff going on this holiday season and into next year. It's going to be next year soon. Yes, it will be. The holidays are upon us, so happy holidays! Happy holidays!